Hey guys, it's Brandon again. I just wanted to let you know I pulled down my video about how to erase Chrome OS Flex and go back to Windows 10. Just because the method I put in there actually doesn't seem to work properly. And I'll go ahead and show you what's up. First of all, what tipped me off is I got this comment on there. I was like, no, this doesn't even work. And I was like, man, what's this guy talking about? I tried it. I even booted off of the USB and it works fine. But I didn't try to go through the installer. And I'll show you what happens when you actually try to. So I got the USB I made in there. I'm going to go ahead and boot up the laptop. I'm going to go to the boot menu, pick my USB. I'm going to press any key, and then we're going to let it start up. I'll show you what happens. And anyway, it takes a minute here, but it's discouraging now because at the beginning it looks like it's going to work fine. But I didn't really want to install Windows on this device, so I didn't go through the process. But so you can click on Next. You can say Install Now. It looks like it's working. Setup is starting. But then if you wait, you get to this error. Immediate driver for your computer that your computer needs is missing. This could be blah, blah, blah. Anyway, I don't know how to get past this part. And I think that must be what he was talking about in the comments. Not that it actually doesn't boot, but you can't actually go through the setup. So anyway, I took down that video. If you want to go back to Windows 10 right now, you're going to have to create the media on Windows or Linux. Something where you can properly burn their ISO file, I guess. And so anyway, if I find another way to do it, just using Chrome OS, I'll post that and let you know. But unfortunately, I thought this worked. And now that I actually tried installing it, it turns out it didn't. So I apologize for giving you fake news there. And but I'm glad that I got called out on it. So now we know not to try that. But anyway, so sorry for the misleading, but now you know what's up. And thank you again for correcting me. And until next time, I hope you all have a good day. Bye now.